Will be joining us to talk about why she wants to take over for Congressman Jim Langevin and represent Rhode Island.
That's right here at 4 in Wednesday's Community Focus this week. I want to turn now to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center. Tony, the sun was shining, but not doing much to boost up that temperature.
Yeah, in fact, good point. I mean, the sun is getting stronger this time of year, but the cold is so overwhelming that the best we could do is like 31, 32 this afternoon. But we're gonna turn the corner a little bit tomorrow afternoon. Sunshine. We're looking at Newport right now. Dry skies and temperatures, though, only upper 20s to low 30s. Those locations, especially away from the coastline, that snow on Friday, there's still snow on the ground. 2-3 inches. But we'll do a little melting next couple of days. Take a peek outside in other locations now. New Bedford with sparkling sunshine, but obviously chilly temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Currently 32, and dry conditions as well. I don't know how that's, okay, well, Yawgoo Valley, all right? I mean, there's snow on the ground and there's some skiing ongoing at Yawgoo, so the ski season continues all across southern New England, including Wachusett and central Mass. Looking at temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s, currently 32 in Providence, 30 Newport, and New Bedford now checking in at 31. You have dry skin, chapped lips, blame it on the dew point. This is a measurement, a direct measurement of how much humidity is in the air. Of course, we use this a lot in the summertime, but these dew points are 0 or below. This is like desert dry air. Not a lot of moisture out there, so not just cold, but dry as well. The average high for this time of year is 43. It'll be a little closer to that tomorrow afternoon, upper 30s to low 40s, milder on Wednesday. We drop back down Thursday and especially Friday. Nothing extreme, but both of these days are noticeably cooler to colder, only to start the upswing by Saturday and especially into Sunday. So this is a time of year where you get a lot of ups and downs with the temperatures. You get a couple of real cold days and then warming up and then turning cold again. So that's the theme this week. But the threat tracker now through tomorrow and Wednesday, low level green. We don't really see any big storms on the horizon. We'll have some occasional either rain or snow showers this week, but as far as any big storms, it looks fairly quiet. In fact, speaking of quiet in New England, with mainly sunny conditions, the storm track of the jet stream, the northern branch of the jet stream across the U.S.-Canadian border, just sending these little weak impulses across the Great Lakes and into New England. They don't have a lot of moisture to work with. That's why we don't have a lot of precipitation coming up this week. So you can see the colder air on top of New England and the better part of the country enjoying some springtime warmth. And we'll get this slightly milder air for tomorrow afternoon and again on Wednesday. System approaching tomorrow afternoon, giving us some increasing clouds, and very late in the day around this time and tomorrow evening, basically just a light rain or snow shower, but really nothing significant. In fact, a better part of the daylight hours of Tuesday should be dry, but quite cold again tonight. By morning, we're down to about 15 to 20. Any sunshine in the morning early, somewhat limited. Clouds on the increase, but not seeing much in the way of precipitation here. Here's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Upper 30s to low 40s puts us about 10 degrees milder than today. And a little blip of blue and green indicating perhaps a passing flurry or sprinkle either late day or early evening. A better chance of actually some light rain showers by around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Notice the temperatures tomorrow night at 11 o'clock a lot milder. So the forecast for tomorrow morning, a little sun early and quite cold to start the day. Clouds increasing by 11 a.m. 35 and briefly getting close to 40 tomorrow afternoon. Despite the extra cloud cover, it's a fairly quiet day. Just a slight chance later in the afternoon towards the evening hours of a passing flurry or sprinkle. No big deal. 7-day forecast. Wednesday is milder at 45, only to cool back down again for Thursday and especially into Friday. Right now, the early call on the weekend. Some precipitation late Saturday into Sunday. Some snow changing to rain. Temperature on Sunday up to about 51.
Tony, thank you. Still ahead on